Welcome to my vlog for Baker Creek Seeds. I've been purchasing from Rare Seeds for a while now. I'm going to do 2 batches with the free seeds I received ahead of the Seed Expo in Ventura. Let's see what's going on. So here's the operation inside the greenhouse. As you can see, a lot of Baker's Creek things happening right now. And this is the box I've chosen for these 3 seeds here, which will be the Lillian's Caseload, Shanghai Green Choi, and the Giant Noble. I've done 2 rows of the Noble, 2 rows of the Choi, 3 rows of the Lillian's Caseload. Has, I think, a 4-inch spacing, so I figured I'd go for that. A couple notes for this operation. Yeah, a little mix of peroxide and water, give it a little extra oxygen. That's just a new thing I'm trying, not something I've done routinely in the past. And the Miracle Grow potting mix with my local soil, as well as what was in the box. This is organic soil mix. So yeah, let's see what happens, and we'll check in soon to document a little bit more of what happened between the last video and this one, but going to the Ventura Heirloom Seed Expo, and so pretty meager harvest, and a lot of what was not provided to me as seed. And generally, looking at the greenhouse, I think I overwatered some things, and that could be the downfall. Peppers are crushing it, but those are not the Baker Creek farms. And oh look, I missed one. Harvested a few of these guys here, which is nice. These plants might be on their way out. Spinach and the bok choy just didn't make it. Did plant some bean sprouts, wish I had that. Those seem to be popping up and off to a promising start. Noticed today the chocolate pear tomatoes that I have in here are going wild, so there's an exciting harvest ahead for those, which is nice. And then these, which are back from last year, yeah, I'll have to look it up in that. So yeah, these guys are doing awesome. That one in there is humongous. So peppers is clearly a winner. Broccoli seems to be a winner. Beans seem overwatered or something, didn't work out. Radishes, as of today, is kind of exciting, so I threw a couple of those in the box, and a bunch of little carrot sproutlings in my future. Hopefully that becomes a watermelon, but it's looking questionable. And yeah, these beans are supposed to be really exciting. They're from the catalog, very colorful. I'll show you the other spot in the next video. An outdoor experiment, which was even lousier of a harvest. There's the bok choy harvest. Very meager, got like a few leaves. And got some beans that seem to be liking this area. Pretty well shaded, also gets very warm over here. And then this is the spinach. Spinach just doesn't seem to spring up over here, so that's kind of a bummer.